Ladies and gents, as kind of a follow-up to last night's call, instead of getting back with people one-on-one, I figured it would make the most sense just to film a loom on kind of how RealeFlow works on the AI portion. So if you're going to go this route, just use their light. You don't need their pro or their team plans. This is the inside of my account. Real quick, a couple other lists you can pull through here. Pre-foreclosure are really easy to pull. Potentially inherited, they track a different way than PropStream does, so that's worth potentially trying. Zombie properties are interesting. It's a term that I actually learned about through these guys. So it's a property in foreclosure that's owner occupied, but the Postal Service has flagged the house in, meaning they've left it behind. It's probably something you'd have to skip trace and cold call or text blast. Another one that's potentially interesting, they have board investors and long-term owners. Board investor is an absentee owner that I think has owned it for like 10 plus years. So if you're just looking for some other ways to potentially niche down, those aren't bad options. Reason I'm putting this out for you guys now, though, one of the deals we got this week actually came off their AI data. We just got back from our VA. So let me show you guys how this works. Once you've created an account, it looks like this, and Lead Pipes AI is what I'm using. Now, if you want like your entire county, that's the $1,500. But if you want just like, for instance, when I was in Indianapolis, when I lived there, the city I lived in was called Beech Grove. Is this one right here? And I always wanted deals there, and we rarely ever found them. Let's see, remember my own zip code. So I mailed absentees, I mailed owner occupants. I mean, we just didn't do super well. This is one of those things that I would try and just mail every single month. So how this will work for you guys, I think the first 4 zip codes are $75 a month. And then the if you get to 5 and up, they drop to $50 a month. So just in case you don't see this discount you're seeing, the only reason I have that discount is because I'm paying them for monthly access to all of Indianapolis. Now, something else you could do if you're using like the top wholesale zip codes is maybe follow like a couple of your top hottest zips or places where your competitors are doing the most deals. Is just potentially a good way to kind of use the tool without needing to spend $1,500. But that's how you set this up and use it. And then you would just follow the instructions from the other video. But real quick, go back. So you'd go into Lead Pipes Premium here, property leads, and then I'm already actually paying for that zip code. So do 46107, and then loan to value. And then I would do the AI data. And I typically have done a minimum score of like 600. But remember the, yeah, so like in this instance, there's only 32 of them in that zip code. That being said, I would mail those people every single month. Now, if you go, further down, I'm sure that opens up a wider net, 3,916. So if you have a particular zip code you want deals in, you may just kind of want to scoot that number around until you find about what you're looking for on the mailing list side, right? But that is how you use the AI data that we just got a deal off. Talk to you guys soon.